Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store not launching or opening on your Windows 11.
Fix 1. Restart Microsoft Store Step 1. Press Windows plus R Step 2. Type WSRset. X Step 3. Press Enter and wait for Store to reopen. Fix 2. Restart Microsoft Store Service Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type Services. MSC Step 2. Find Microsoft Store Install Service Step 3. Right. Click Restart. Fix 3. Repair Microsoft Store Apps Step 1. Open Settings Step 2. Go to Apps, Installed Apps Step 3. Find Microsoft Store Advanced Options Step 4. Click Repair. Fix 4. Reset Microsoft Store Step 1. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps Step 2. Select Microsoft Store Advanced Options Step 3. Click Reset. Fix 5. Sign out and sign into Microsoft Store Step 1. Open Microsoft Store Step 2. Click Profile icon, Sign out Step 3. Restart PC and sign in again. Fix 6. Check date and time settings Step 1. Open Settings, Time and Language Step 2. Turn on Set Time automatically Step 3. Turn on Set Time Zone automatically.